Good evening. So we were looking towards paperless GMP software, which is an advanced and novel concept in pharmaceutical industry. It is first time in world we are providing entire pharmaceutical documentation paperless. So today we will see the general departments and general administration departments of paperless GMP. So in general administration department, we have provided management, human resource, admin, account department, marketing, PPIC, purchase department, and subsection is vendor registration. So in management department, you can see the window, entire summary of complete software will be visible to management representatives or directors of the company. Directors or management senior representatives many times are traveling outside the factory and they could not see actual login of the department. So that's the reason we have summarized everything in this tab, and management can see product list, human resource related things, product report, yield statements, dispatch reports, purchase reports, analytical status, batch release, shortage report, inventory, product costing they can check as actual costing as well as the standard costing of the product. Management review meetings can be scheduled from here, and training whatever are imparted to the departments are there. Deviation change control which are for management review has been listed. So product list, in product list you can see entire products whatever we are entering in the master, these all products will be visible here. Management representatives can see the products which are available in our factory. If there is MRP, maximum retail price is available for the products, history of complete retail price, whatever maximum retail price is there, that history you can see from here. In management, in HR admin tab, complete employee details, employee attendance, individual attendance of the person, employee performance in percentage, and if this performance is below 70%, remark will come automatically unsatisfactory. So these things have been provided. Salary report will come for salary statement, and salary report will come dynamically from employee portal to the management. This is real-time salary report. They can observe for the month entire salary statement will be generated, and this salary statement will be generated for every employee, and total amount payable they can estimate from here. Once the attendance of the employee has been put, the entire report of the salary will be visible to management, so they can plan out for on 28th or 25th only they can plan out for the estimated budget of the salary. So total man working hours designation wise we had given. So entire HR admin, whatever performance related things are there that you can see here, production report, yield statement of every batch. You can see here what is the yield of the batch product wise, dispatch report, purchase report, analytical status of the product, batch release status of the product, shortages reports, and product costing is also there. So management representative can see the costing of the product batch wise, whatever batches are being manufactured according to the materials which are available in the batch. The once you are selecting product, entire costing will be there. Only analytical cost, CCPC, freight and other cost, they have to put. These costings are on two bases. One is based on the actual batches which are manufactured, that batches costing will be given, and along with in process cost, every cost will be calculated as per as yield is considered. And another is costing based on the actual means costing based on your quotations or estimated cost of the product you can say, and actual costing will be based on the products which are manufactured in the plant. So this 97% yield is there. Once we are adding all the details, we are getting list of the material and cost per unit or cost per kg we can estimate. So this is entire management portal. Management review meetings can be scheduled, meeting can be announced from here, meeting in which department, to meeting with which department, meeting date, meeting time, meeting representatives, then managers who are going to attend, the account manager or whatever HR manager, that managers list will be added, agenda, whether this is quality failure, incidents, deviation, change control, kappa, risk management, or all this agenda is there. So these management review meetings are mandatory as per as GMP is considered and guidelines are considered. So we are giving management review meeting, so they can start the meeting, they can enter what whoever managers are present. So once they are starting the meeting will be started. It will come for the further review, and the agenda way of the as per agenda we can enter the meeting proceedings, and meeting logbook will be maintained. Accordingly, the QMS part is there, which is common part in complete software. So whatever deviation, change controls or other critical parts required to be attended by management, that will come for approval of the management representative. After this, we are having human resource department, recruitment. Entire recruitment sequence is there. Manpower requisitions will be receiving from different department. Once it is received, interview process will start. New candidate can be registered from here. Interview will be scheduled from the candidate. That interview time, date, place, venue, designation. Once interview is scheduled, it will be interviewer will be allocated. We have to select who is going to take the interview, and designation of the person, employee of that department of that designation. So these interviews will be scheduled. Once interview is scheduled, this interview form will be going to the assessor. Interview form will be opened. Awaiting interviews will come to the whoever we have selected. It will come, and this is checklist for interview. We have to just select whether exceptional, above average, average or below average. This checklist can be customized organization to organization. So recommended, not recommended, or keep on hold. Once interview process is completed, it will come for awaiting decisions. Once decision will be finalized for selecting the candidates, offer letter of the candidate will be generated. This offer letter will be generated. We have to just select name of candidate, employee type we have to select. For example, I am selecting trainee officer. Medical checkup, whether pre-employment or post-joining medical checkup is there. We have to just enter the salary structure of the employee. Now salary heads are not configured for this category, so we will select another category. We will see yes, salary structure is available for this employee. Once we are putting this one, entire CTC, basic salary, PF contribution, ESIC, and whatever country laws are there, whatever benefits we are providing to the that employee, that we have to configure from salary head masters, and that will directly getting calculated here automatically, and we have to just save this one. Offer letter will be generated directly for this candidate. After offer letter, candidate will be coming for joining. Then we have to give appointment letter. After filling the joining form, we have to give appointment letter. Once we are selecting again, if we want to change the his salary at the time of appointment, means if there is any changes that can be done, and appointment letter also will be generated online from this software. We have seen in offer letter pre-medical and post-joining medical checkup. So medical checkup will be assigned for this employee. We have to just proceed, and department, from which department that employee is. Then once employee name will come automatically. Physician or doctor we have to select the test frequency, 6 months or 12 months. So software will give reminder for next frequency due. So new medical checkup will be registered. It will go to physician. They can upload the report, or we can upload the report from this portal, and medical checkup will be completed. Then employee data. Now every company is not new company, so company may take the software later on. So whatever entries they will do as an employee, they have to add annexures for salary, they have to just select the employee type, and they can add the, based on the employee type, they can add the annexure for the employee. So annexure will be automatically calculated. Whatever his take home salary, gross salary, company deductions, everything will be appearing automatically once you are putting CTT. C means cost to company. So this is employee list. Attendance will be calculated based on the departments, and from the security department, as per as employee ID is considered, daily attendance will be recorded. Individual attendance will be recorded for the persons. So whatever person is there, that person's individual attendance will be recorded. We have to just select the dates and search the person. If that person is present, absent, shift start, shift end, everything is there. So OT hours, if applicable, it will come. If you have, so for example, at the security gate there is any mistakes during attendance entry, then you can correct and edit this attendance. But once this attendance has been freezed, it will go for payroll and salary calculations. So whatever employees are there in August month or July months, that employees complete salary structure will be generated automatically, and the employees, based on the employees presentee, the salary structure will be generated, and automatically salary structure, and based on this salary structure, salary slips also are being generated. Entire payroll is automized, and there is no manual calculation to be done by shift manager or anyone, by any HR manager. So shift management, then trainings, user management. In user management, after joining of every person, we have to assign user rights to him. In software, we are given user, checker, approver, department head, and QMS approver. If we want to give additional right to that person, from this you have to select and add the additional rights to the person. Then daily task assignment, leave management. In leave management, entire leave application, leave cards, leave approvals, charge handover, alternate persons, and leave log will be maintained. These leaves will be applied from the employee dashboard. So employee has to apply from employee dashboard. The induction, training, achievements, labor management. Government agencies, you can record all the government agencies so that you will have all contact details and contact IDs, email IDs of the government agencies with you. Resignation and relieving. So once employee is resigning, employee clearance will be done, exit interview will be taken, and experience letter will be issued to the employee. Apart from this, our software is having appraisal system, that is 360-degree appraisal and regular appraisal systems. We are given checklist according to the designations, and once you are filling that checklist, the designations based on the designations, appraisals will be done, and these are 360-degree appraisal system we had given. So this is entire HR department. So in next session we will see admin department. So admin department also I will show right now. So labor contractor, agreements, stationery, inventory, housekeeping materials, garden management, laundry management, transport management, vehicle management. So transport means external transport agencies, and vehicles means passenger vehicles which are coming inside the factory. Facility management, safety and security, first aid management, QMS training, and scrap management. So labor contractors, new labor contractor you can register from here, along with his all legal details. Contract agreement will be prepared automatically from the software once you are giving template. Then labor management, all the labors have to be entered from here by contractor or by our representative, and once it is approved, this label will go in our main database so that it will be available at the time of operations. So labor management, bills from contractors, whatever bills are coming from contractors, that can be added here. Agreements, contract agreements, employee agreement, rent lease agreement. So we have to always remember the dates of the agreement from Google Calendar or any other means, but software will give, once it is going to be expired, software will give notification for the same that this agreement is going to be expired. Housekeeping materials, garden management. In garden management, entire garden daily work records, demand for resources, plant counts and cleaning logs have been given. Transport management and vehicle management. So in vehicle management and transport management, we had given that all the new transporters registration and approval of the same. In vehicle management, all the vehicles of the company will be registered. Facility management is also there. So facility repair work, paint all maintenance, electronic maintenance, major maintenance info, cleaning records of the facility, and disaster management is there. So this is entire administrative department. Account department, as you know, ledger, journals, expenses, assets, bank master, checkbooks, checkbooks, tax infos, payment status, credit notes, purchase reports, payments, under production batches reports, and bank reconciliation statements, cost centers, all GST reports and all taxation reports have been given along with profit and loss accounting. Marketing department, you can see client management. Once we are entering the client, we have to add the new clients from here. If client is of formulation or API, based on that we are given the bifurcation of the client. Lead management, whatever clients we are registering, we have to just add the any inquiry receiving from email, phone, web portal or personal meetings, reference by details, then products, for which product this client is, for our estimated quantity, and the units of the quantity. Once we are adding this one, we can track the leads which we have received. We have to just add daily basis update the whatever actions we are taking on that lead. We have to add daily action plan, and once it is completed, lead and inquiry will come in log. So this is report downloading. This lead is in processing and this lead has been completed. So you can download the report and see what is the progress of the list and what our executive had did. Then quotations you can give from here. Client's PO will be received. Market complaints you can log in. Dossier DMF request you can send. Customer feedback you can give. Customer agents registration is there. Technical document request you can send from here to QA department. So every time you need not to beg for the documents to quality assurance department. You will have access to the documents from here and you will receive all the documents which are sent by QA department. Maybe scan document or system documents also. PPIC, planning and inventory management, planning department is there. Based on the available unit formulas, we have to make the planning for the batches. Based on the available batch formulas, we have to calculate the shortages and accordingly we can plan the batches. So when we will see the demo for production department or inventory management, in that I will show you entire planning department. Purchase department demo will be done in next session, and vendor registration. So this is entire general administration and management tab. Thank you very much.